Artisia review. Hey there, welcome to my review of Artisia. In this video, we're going to look at the main features of this AI tool suite and the pros and cons of the different tools they have inside the members area. And we'll also look at a sneak peek preview of the different tools in action inside the Artisia members area, just to see what you actually get inside once you make the purchase. Before we dive into this Artisia review, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit. I've been earning a full-time income online with digital marketing for over 10 years now, so I've got a decent idea of what systems work and all the different software tools that have come and gone over the years. Hopefully that experience will help you out as you research this launch. Also, if you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below. Click that link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done-for-you system and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic and get those consistent commissions coming in. So click the link in the video description below for my number one recommended online system. So with Artisia, it's basically one of these membership tool suites where there's lots of AI tools all packaged into it, mainly to do with AI graphics and AI videos. So there's lots of different selection of tools which you can use for your graphic design and marketing projects. Over the last year or so, there's been loads of these AI membership tool suites coming out. And what I've had a look at, most of them look exactly the same. They've just changed the branding, changed the logo and title, but then you actually get access to a very generic members area with just basic AI tools such as an article writer, which you could do for free with ChatGPT anyway, or just some basic image generator and no real game plan on how to use the content to make money, whether to sell it as a freelancer or your own marketing. So I think most of these AI membership tool suite software launches are a bit overhyped. However, it is refreshing to see some unique tools in Artisia I haven't actually seen in some of these other launches. So this looks a bit more interesting than most that I come across. You've got this AI image generation tool where you give it a detailed description of what you're looking for and it will create you a completely new image from scratch, almost like a glossy Hollywood style feel to it. So it's really high quality AI image generation tool. You've got an AI prompt builder where you can build your own prompts. You've got 3,000 ready-made designs you can use for your graphics. You've got text to image generation. Again, give it a prompt and it will create an image for you. An AI sketch to image generator. You've got AI background removal, which is quite a useful tool if you want to do almost one of these AI influencer style business models where you pretend you're visiting lots of different countries and you can change the background, or this is good for thumbnails to remove the background if you want to use an image to really pop out in the foreground for a YouTube thumbnail, for example. Again, you've got the AI replace background tool to follow on from that. You've got AI painting and image cleanup. You can remove text from images. You've got this drag and drop video editor, so you can create short form video content for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. You can create GIFs and any other videos you may want to, even longer form YouTube content. You've got AI Reimagine software. You've got built-in stock libraries as well as generating AI images from scratch. AI image upscaler to make your images ultra high resolution, and there's the crop feature and editing feature. So definitely lots packaged into Artisia AI, which is much better than your typical standard AI tool suite launch. So that's really good to see. Inside the members area, here's just an example of the type of images you can generate. Very high quality, glossy AI images based on a detailed description you give to it. And so that's higher quality compared to some very generic cartoony style images I've seen with other software tools. You've got these templates you can select to drag and drop the image in and then edit it. This is almost like Canva.com style editing tool where you can add text and images and graphics to the image you just generated with Artisia AI. So it's quite cool that you can not only generate the image, but you can go and make changes and tweaks to it. That's important if you're doing this work for clients and they have some changes they want you to make before they complete the order. If you're offering this for service on Fiverr.com, for an example. There's also this interesting tool where you can upscale images. You can regenerate them, make them more high quality, and you can basically take a base image and you can do things with it such as change the background out, remove the background. So here's an example of the background being changed. This is useful if you're doing an AI influencer business model. So you want to pretend you're in a different location. Maybe you change the background so you're in a city, for example, or a famous tourist resort. So they're quite popular for these AI influencer business models. Also, if you're just doing a YouTube thumbnail, you can take one image and use it over and over again for different YouTube thumbnails by removing the background, changing it out, just making the image pop in the foreground. So it's quite useful for both YouTube thumbnails and these AI influencer accounts, or any other way you want to use these editing tools for your AI graphic design. And there's also another really cool tool which I haven't seen much in these type of products, is an AI logo generator. So you basically add in your brand name and a couple of keywords and prompts for the type of logo you are looking for, and it will actually give you a whole range of example logos you can select for to see what you like. So that's really cool. These look really high quality logos, and then you can select which one you like the best. You could even do this as a freelancer. You could offer to create logos for your clients and give them a choice of 5 logos, and AI can generate the variations for you just from those simple prompts. This is also really good for generating images to accompany a domain name listing or a website listing you may put on Flipper. It just makes it look more professional having a logo with it. Having a professional logo for your website or YouTube channel or social media account, and you can quickly just churn it out with Artisia, and that can save a lot of money to hiring graphic design artists and freelancers to do it for you. It's much cheaper, and you can even offer this type of freelancing service yourself with the Artisia AI logo generator. So overall, some really cool features, much more unique to a lot of these software launches I see. This is going to be more for freelancers who offer this service as a gig to others, or if you know a business model you want to apply this to, such as AI influencer accounts, or you've already got a YouTube channel and you want to improve the thumbnails, or you actually have a proper use case for this graphics. If you're a newbie and you don't do freelancing and you haven't got a business or a business model or any social media accounts, you're going to struggle to actually know what to do with these tools. So you'll have the tools, but you won't know what to do with them. So if you're brand new and don't know what to do with this output, before you buy it, I don't think you can get that much value from it. But if you know exactly how you're going to put this into action and some business game plans, then Artisia looks very cool. Anyway, thanks a lot for checking out my Artisia review. If you want to discover my main approach for generating a realistic income online, then click the link in the video description below. That's my #1 system, a complete done-for-you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, building that list, getting consistent commissions coming in. It's really cool. So click the link in the video description below for my #1 recommended online system. Thanks for checking out my Artisia review. All the best and speak soon.